Hello, Bendy Babes. What's up? Well, first of all, I have a box variation from Boxycharm. It was uploaded tonight on Instagram, and I caught that video when I seen it. So, I want to show you what is one of the variations of the November box and what kind of foundation or concealer cord they got in it. Just a short little video. So, before we begin, here is the chart of the Boxycharm Premium and Boxyluxe boxes. Everything you need to know about joining Boxycharm. If you're new and you want to join Boxycharm, all it costs is $25. And right now they still have those two Tarte palettes for a bonus. It's the Tarte Clay Play Face Sculpting Palette or the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Both worth around $45. But in order to get this, you have to use the new code, which is Gobble Gift. Now, all you need to do is go to my description area of my video, click on that link, and at checkouts, put the code in. I'll have the code, which is Gobble Gift, there, so you'll know what to type in. And you will get your beautiful palette as well as your November box. So don't wait, because things are getting really good at Boxy. They're already good. I mean, this is a great box. But before we begin talking about the first variation, I want to show you a short clip that influencer Natalie Paris put out.
Ooh. Oh, hi. Ooh. Oh.
Okay, guys, so our November box, the theme for November is Boxycharm Stellar. So let's see what we're getting in one variation. Did y'all see that box size? That is a huge box. So we don't want to hear anything about the product was too big to fit in the box now, because that box is just huge compared to the box we had before. And that's the base box. So what do we see in there? So the first product we saw in the box was the Dominique Beauty Celestial Under Palette. This is a cruelty-free palette, and it's just beautiful. It's the baby of the Storm palette, which just came out. It just has four less shades than the huge palette. It has 8 shades. I can't wait to try this palette. It looks like it's going to be so pigmented. Now, next in her box, she got the Kypress Beauty Antioxidant Dew Quench Glow Serum. That sells for $90, just that one product. The next item she received in her box was a Dose of Colors Lippy. Look at which one she got. She got the Charm one, and that is that beautiful red color. Now next, she showed us she got, of course, the 2-piece brush set, but something a little different that we didn't know was coming in the box. Looks like a set of Lily lashes, and on the box you can see it has Boxycharm. So, and Lily Lashes must have collaborated with Boxycharm to make a set of lashes. Now, I would say these Lily Lashes are a variation product. We did receive some Gaia lashes, Lily Lashes, back in March in our Boxyluxe box. Now, I noticed on Boxycharm's Facebook page, they reposted this picture like today. So, this is a possibility, another set of false lashes, but I'm leaning toward it being a variation product because usually that last 5th item is a variation product. Out of all 5 products, we know everyone is getting the palette. Everyone is getting the palette. Second, we know the Kypress Beauty is a variation product with the Juice Beauty product, so you could get either one. Third, the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter for $38. Or one of those Dose of Color Lippies. We have 4 different choices. That gives a lot of different combinations. but they're all good if you get the color you like. Is going to be a lot of possibilities. The fourth product, the brushes, I do think everyone is getting the brushes. The fifth product, the lashes, I think is a variation. So that is our 5 products for this box variation. And as she was opening it, we saw a sneak peek of the complexion customization card she received, and it was from Pretty Vulgar, the concealer. So I don't know how that's going to work. If you're getting Boxyluxe in December, maybe you get the customization card for the foundation. I have no clue how they're deciding this. So we'll have to see as we start getting the boxes and what the person is subscribed to see which one you'll be getting. Or could you possibly get both? What if you get the premium box in December, or you're on the waiting list to get it and you get Boxyluxe? So how is that going to work? I'm really anxious to see. Now this box in November, the base box is valued up to $200. Here are a couple views of advertised November boxes. These are possibilities, but these are actual boxes anybody received yet. But these are boxes they have put up there showing what could possibly be in your box. I failed to mention that in this picture, instead of the lashes, you get the Tula Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads. 1 pad, 2 sides, 2 minutes will give you smoother, softer, brighter looking skin. So that is a possibility instead of the lashes. That is a great valued box for $25. Now also, remember, if you're getting the premium box in November, you will get the Forzali Rose Gold Skin Mist in your Boxycharm. If you get both the premium box and the Boxycharm, you will get that Forzali spray as an addition to your Boxycharm. So, I'm trying to get that out of my mind because I'm not getting the premium box and I'm so sad, but I'm happy for you guys that are getting it. My turn will be next time, hopefully. Thank you all for watching. I just wanted to show you this quick little box variation that came out last night. And as you can tell, it's very late. My voice gets very hoarse when I stay up too late. Remember, tomorrow, Sunday, I have my live program at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time if you want to see who wins the October giveaway. And I will announce the prizes for my November giveaway. You will be excited. And also, we're going to talk a little bit about the Sephora Rouge that is going on right now, the 20% off. And we're going to do a little chatting and have a little fun playing the number game and giving some products away. So I hope y'all can all make it tomorrow. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. Until next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye.
Maybe I'm a bird following the sea.